Drop them in. Railroad Riches. It's bonus time. We only need 5 left to fill. Come on, folks, we can do that. Where's my supporters at? We're on 5-cent denom. That's a $66 ball, which is 33 bucks. All right. I've never been able to unlock this. Let's see how we can do. Get the gates to open. That's the goal. Oh my God. This game sucks. What the hell just happened? Oh, we're back in. Psych, I apologize. I'm sorry, game. Railroad Riches. Taking a ride on the green time. Ooh, all we had to do was apologize. Here we go. Drop some big ones down there. 4, 5 bucks, 7, $9, $9 ball. We can do better than that. All right, I still want to open them gates. Hello, take them. Beautiful, now we're pumping them out. Hey, we did it. I never got this symbol in my life. Beautiful. And we got a bonus coin in there. We're going on the purple railroad. Beautiful. Purple has an $800 jackpot. Let's do this. Ooh, what a boost. One spin left down there in the corner. Oh yeah, look at those. Oh, going up again. Nothing there, but we'll take the 3 spins. That purple's gonna boost us again. We might run out of time on this short. Oh my God, what do we got under here? 2 purples. Watch out. Check me out in the comments here. We're gonna run out of time on this short. We'll let you know how we did. I apologize, it's YouTube, it's not us. We love you, hit that subscribe. Peace.